Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use parameters in Unity to make your functions more flexible and reusable. What is a parameter? Parameter is a variable that we define inside the parentheses of a function. It allows us to pass values to a function when calling it, making the function more flexible and reusable. What is the purpose of parameters? Flexibility. Instead of using fixed values, we can pass different values each time we call the function. Reusability. We don't need to write multiple functions. For similar tasks, one function can handle multiple inputs. Efficiency. It helps reduce repetitive code and makes our program more organized. Conclusion. Parameters are essential for writing clean, efficient, and reusable code. Instead of hard-coding values, we use parameters to make our functions more dynamic. First, let's create a function that accepts the parameters. The function will add these numbers together and return the result. In sumIntX, int y, we're defining a function named sum that returns an integer int. Int x, int y, these are the parameters that we're passing into the function. They represent the two numbers we want to add, return x plus y. Inside the function, we add x and y together and return the result. The return statement ensures that the function sends back the sum of the two numbers. Return 10 plus 10. The function calculates the sum, 10 plus 10 equals 20, and returns the result. Debug, log sum plus result. The result is stored in the variable result and printed to the Unity console. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.